Good morning. Today we will discuss exercise 1.10. The question number 4. Integration of 0 to 2x root of x plus 2 dx by using substitution method. Let x plus 2 equal t square. Then root will be cancelled. Then apply differentiation with respect of t dx by dt. 2 differentiation is 0 to t. Dx equal to 2t into t. The lower and upper limit will be changed. Lower limit when x equal to 0, then t is equal to root of x plus 2, 0 plus 2. X is 0, 0 plus 2, which is equal to 2. Next, upper limit. When x is equal to 2, then t is equal to root of x is 2 plus 2, root 4 equal to 2. Same limit. Now, integration of 0 to 2 x into root of x plus 2 dx equals integration of lower limit is root 2, upper limit is 2. X in terms of t, x is equal to t square minus 2 into root of x plus 2. Root of x plus 2 equal to t. In dx is equal to 2t into t. These are t values. So t is equal to 2, t is equal to 2. Here x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Okay. So when we use substitution method, change the variable, limit, lower limit and upper limit also. Then integration of root 2 to t square into 2. 2 take common overall. Tell me t square into t square. T power 4 minus 2 into t square. Understood? This 2 take common for overall. Remaining t square is t into t square. T square into t square, t power 4 minus 2 t square. This is having here. Okay? Then integration 2 into t power integration 2 into t power 4 integration t power 5 by 5 minus 2 t square integration t cube by t. Limits root 2 to 2. Upper limit 2 into upper limit 2 power 5 by 5 minus 2 into 2 cube by 3. Upper limit. Then lower limit root 2 whole power 5 by 5 minus 2 into root 2 whole cube by 3. 2 into 2 power 5, 32 by 5 minus 2 cube is 8. 8 into 2, 16 by 3 minus root 2 whole power 5. Root 2 whole power 4 is 2. 4. Root 2 whole power 4 into root 2, which is equal to root 2 whole power 5. Root 2 whole power 4 we can write 2 square and whole square. This is get cancelled. 2 square is 4. So 4 root it is. 4 root 2 by 5 minus 2 into root 2 whole cube is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 by 3. Simplify 2 into here 32 by 5. LCM is 50. 5 3 jump. 32 into 3. 60. 96 minus 3 5 jump 50 16 5 jump 80 minus 4 root 2 this is 4 root 2 4 root 2 by 5 minus 4 root 2 by 3 2 into 96 minus 80 60 by 50 minus LCM here 50 5 3 jump 50 3 4 jump 12 root 2 minus 3 5 jump 5 into 4 22. So 2 into 16 by 50 minus 12 root 2 minus 20 root 2 minus 8 root 2 minus plus 8 root 2 by 50. Next, the question number 5. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx by 1 plus cos square x dx. 1 plus cos square x. Cos x differentiation is there in the numerator. So let cos x equal to t. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. X differentiation with respect of t, dx by dt. T differentiation is 1. Sin x dx equal to minus dt. Lower limit. Tell me, if x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0. This lower limit x is 0. When x is 0, then t is equal to cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Next, upper limit. If x is equal to pi by 2, then t is equal to cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 equal to 0. So integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx by 1 plus cos square x equal to lower limit is 1, upper limit is 0, sin x dx equal to minus dt by 1 plus cos x equal to 1 plus t square. 1 by 1 plus t square integration. 1 by 1 plus t square integration tan inverse t. So it is equal to minus tan inverse of t. Limits 1 to 0. Apply upper limit tan inverse of 0 minus tan inverse of 1. So tan inverse of 0 is 0. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4, which is equal to pi by 4. Next, question number 6. Integration 0 to 2 dx by x plus 4 minus x square. X plus 4 minus x square. Which is method? The form of ax square plus bx plus c form. Definite integration. 1 by ax square plus bx plus c form is there. How can find? First this part. Consider x plus 4 minus x square equal to minus take common x square minus x minus 4. Okay. Minus. Tell me x square minus 2. A is x. B how much? Taking will get minus x 1 by 2. So that we should add 1 by 2 whole square and subtract 1 by 2 whole square. So minus 4. So minus of up to this a square minus 2ab plus b square a minus b whole square minus 1 by 4 minus 4. So minus of x minus 1 by 2 whole square. LCM here 4, right? Minus 1 minus 4, 4 4 is 16 minus 17. Multiply by minus, you will get 17 by 4 minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Integration of 0 to 2 dx by x plus 4 minus x square dx equal to integration of 0 to 2. Tell me this is 1 by dx by 17 by 4 root 17 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. This we can do by using substitution method or without substitution also we can do. Without substitution is 1 by a square minus x square integration. This is considered as x. So a square minus x square integration 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. Okay? But x means x minus 1 and put x is equal to 0 and x equal to upper limit and lower limit. If you want to use substitution method, especially they have mentioned here. So let x minus 1 by 2 equal to t. X minus 1 by 2 equal to t. Then x differentiation is dx by dt equal to 1. So dx equal to dt. Then lower and upper limit will be changed. Tell me lower limit. Lower limit. When x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, then t is equal to 0 minus 1 by 2. T is equal to minus 1 by 2. Upper limit. When x is equal to 2, then t is equal to, tell me, 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. That we have substituted here. See. This is after this integration of lower limit is minus 1 by 2, upper limit is 3 by 2, and dx become a dt by root of 70 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 equal to t square. So which is the form of 1 by a square minus x square. 1 by x square minus x square integration 1 by 2a root 17 by 2 log of a plus x root 17 by 2 plus t by root 17 by 2 minus t. And to get cancelled 1 by root 17 log of upper limit minus 1 by 2 upper limit is 3 by 2. Let apply upper limit and lower limit. 1 by root 17 log of upper limit root 17 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Or we first let simplify by taking LCM root 17 plus 2t by root 17 minus 2. Upper limit 3 by 2, lower limit minus 1. By substituting we get this. After this 1 by root 17 log of upper limit 3 by 2 root 17 plus 2 into 3 by 2 get cancel 3 by root 17 minus 2 into 3 by 2 t means 3 by 2 2 get cancel 3. This is upper limit minus lower limit log of root 17 minus 1 by 2 2 get cancelled minus 1 by root 17 plus 1. This is finished. Log m minus log n equal log of m. Further you can simplify. Log of, tell me, root 17 plus 3 by root 17 minus 3 by, this is comes down, okay, divided by, tell me, root 17 minus 1 by root 17 plus 2, which is equal to 1 by root 17 log of root 17 plus 3 by root 17 minus 3. This comes up root 17 plus 1 by root 17 minus 1. Just you multiply. Get it out. Next, the same thing we try is question number 17. Same one. Okay, question number 8. I can discuss. Integration. 7 is a homework. 1 to 2, 1 by x minus 1 by 2x squared into e power 2x dx. We have the formula integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x equal to e power x into f of x. But here not e power x, 2x is it. Let 2x equal to t. Let 2x equal to t. Then dx by dt equal to 1. Then dx is equal to dt by 2. Limit changes, lower limit. Here x is equal to 1. Then t is equal to 2. Upper limit, x is equal to 2. Then t is equal to 4. Put x is equal to 2 into 2. Substitute the limits. Integration 1 to 2. 1 by x minus 1 by 2x squared e power 2x dx equal to lower limit 2, upper limit 4. 1 by x, x is t by 2 minus 1 by 2 into x t by 2 whole square into e power 2x equal to t into dx is equal to dt by 2. Now integration of 2 to 4, this comes up 2 by t minus, this is t square by 4. T square by 4, 2 get cancelled, we get here 2. 2 comes up 2 by t into e power t dt, here 1 constant order. So here one formula integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to formula e power x into f of x. Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x equal to e power x into f of x. Now 1 by 2 integration of e power t, limits 2 to 4. Tell me 2 by t plus minus 2 by t square. This is the f of t. F of t. This is the f dash t. F of t differentiation. 2 by t differentiation is minus 2 by t square. To constant 1 by t differentiation is minus 1 by t square. So this differentiation is there or not? So tell me the answer here. 1 by 2. Tell me the integration of this. E power t f of t 2 by t. Limits t is equal to 2 to 4. So 1 by 2 apply upper limit e power 4 2 by 4. Lower limit e power 2 by 2 into get cancel. So 1 by 2 e power 4 by 2 minus e square. Or we can take common 2 LCM, we get e power 4 minus 2e square. E square take common, e square minus 2, correct? E square minus 2 by 4. Next, the question number 9. Integration of 1 by 3 to 1 x minus x cube whole power 1 by 3 by x power 4 dx. X minus x cube whole power 1 by 3 by x power 4 dx. Which is equal to 1 by 3 to 1 x cube highest power take common from this. X cube take common, we get, or x take common. X take common, x cube we can take common here. 1 by x square minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 by x power 4 dx. 1 by 3 to 1 x cube whole power 1 by 3 is x into 1 by x square minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 by x power 4 dx. Get cancel x cube here. So integration 1 by 3 to 1 by x square minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 dx by x cube. This differentiation is there. So let 1 by x square minus 1 equal to t. Which function having differentiation that considered as t? Okay, 1 by x square minus 1 equal to t. Tell me differentiation of 1 by x square. We take up x4 minus 2. x4 minus 2 differentiation is minus 2 x power minus 3 dx by dt equal to 1. It comes down 2 by 2 dx by x cube equal to dt. Right? Dx by x cube. Dx by x cube equal to dx by x cube equal to dt by minus 2. dt by minus 2. Lower limit. Lower limit. What is the lower limit here? X is 1 by 3. Then t is substitute here 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole square. 1 by 9. 9 comes up. 9 minus 1 which is equal to 8. Next, upper limit. X is equal to 1. Then t is equal to 0. T is equal to 1 minus 1 0. Apply. Lower limit is 8. Upper limit is 0. 1 by x square minus 1 is equal to t power 1 by 3. Dx by x cube equal to minus dt by 2. This comes this dt by minus 2. Finished. 1 by minus 1 by 2 common. T power 1 by 3 integration. T power 1 by 3 plus 1 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. Limits 8 to 0. Minus 1 by 2. Upper limit 0. Minus lower limit 8 by 8 power 4 by 3. This comes up 3 by 4. Finish. minus minus plus 1 by 2. 8 means 2 cube. 2 cube. 2 cube, this cancel. 2 power 4, 60 into 3 by 4. Get cancel. 4 3 are 2 3 cancel. 2 3 are 6. Then f of x equal integration of 0 to x t sin t into t. Then f dash x apply differentiation with respect of x on both sides. F dash x equal to d by dx of integration of 0 to x t sin t dt. But the problem is, if limits not there, the integration d by dx is equal to this, but limits are there. So the limit, if there means, first we have to find this. How to find this is u into v. What is the first u? Algebra first u. Trigonometry next g. F of x and g of x. These are algebra. X is algebra. T also algebra. I rate a comes first than t. Okay. D by dx of, tell me, this u into v, f of x t, integration of g of x sin t dt minus derivative of t with respect of t is 1. Sin t integration is integration of sin t and dt whole dt, limits 0 to x. These are t limits. T limits, not x limits. But by applying with respect of derivative with respect of x, t integration of sin t minus cos t minus integration of sin t minus cos t dv, limits 0 to x. So d by dx of minus t cos t plus cos t integration sin t, limits 0 to x. D by dx of, apply upper limit first, t replaced by x. These are t limits. T is equal to 0 and t is equal to x. Minus x cos x plus sin x. Lower limit is t is 0 plus g. This get cancelled. D by dx of minus x cos x plus sin x. U into v. This is now apply differentiation with respect of x. U into v. This is minus differentiation of u into v. X into cos x differentiation is minus sin x plus cos x into x differentiation with respect of x is 1 plus sin x differentiation is cos x. So multiply here, minus minus plus x sin x minus cos x plus cos x, get cancelled, which is equal to x sin x. For this shortcut actually, this type of questions is there, the shortcut is integration of a to b. A to b. A may be function or constant, whatever it may be. Integration of a to b, or better you take pi 1 of x and pi 2 of x. Like this. Pi 1 and pi 2. F of, here differentiation, d by dx of f of x dx. F of x, limits are there with differentiation. Okay, the way of finding that shortcut is f of x replaced by upper limit first. X replaced by upper limit. What is upper limit here? Pi 2, right? In place of x, pi 2, f of pi 2 into what we have applied upper limit, that one differentiate. So d pi 2 by dx. With respect of t is there t, with respect of x is there x, minus lower limit apply in place of x. In place of x, apply lower limit. Tell me f of pi 1 x or pi 1 enough into the pi 1 differentiation d by 1 by dx. Finish the answer. So this is shortcut. See, let use that. By using this, let's find this. D by dx of integration, tell me, 0 to x t sin t d. Yes. This is f of x. You compare this the upper limit with lower limit, this is differentiation. Right now, here what limits? T with respect of t. So t replaced by upper limit. T replaced by upper limit. Tell me upper limit apply t place of x sin x. When you apply upper limit into d by dx of upper limit differentiation. What is the upper limit differentiation? Is x. X differentiation with respect of x is 1 minus lower limit substitute here t plus 0 finish 0 and something is 0. So x differentiation is 1. So answer is x into sin x. This is 1. Finish. Answer check it. X into sin x. Understood? Are you following? This type of question comes most important for JEE main. That's why I am taking shortcut here. F of upper limit x replaced by upper limit into upper limit derivative minus lower limit applied in place of x into lower limit derivative. Here with respect of t, okay, t replaced by upper limit into upper limit derivative minus lower limit t replaced by lower limit into lower limit derivative. Anyway here 0, whatever differentiation is there, the answer will get 0 only. Product of 0 is 0. This is okay. For example, if you want one more